industry in this country is slowly getting the recognition that it has always deserved. But I'm telling you, we are far from where we want to get to. As a pageant woman myself, I know that there's a lot that we want, there's a lot that we need, and there's a lot of support that we are gunning for. What I'm looking for tonight is a young woman who understands this, who also understands that we do not come from a place of privilege. We are not like your normal national pageants in Africa. We come from a low-income country that does not understand pageants, that does not understand what we are doing or our value or what we really want to see. So I'm looking for a woman who wants to work hard, a woman who has this at the back of their minds, and a woman that has a dream, also looking to represent all the young women of this country. All of that together, put that with hard work, understanding who we are, what our country is about, and what the dream can be, while understanding where we're from and our situation, but still wants to work hard enough to put us on the standard of the national pageants that we are not at the standard of. It has been done before. It can be done. That's what I'm looking for. Thank you.